Hi, I'm Prabir Mishra. I'm excited to present the Expense Tracker application, a project at the intersection of cutting-edge technology and financial management. Here you can see the website of this project. Here I've created expense tracking application that monitor your daily expenses, analyze your total expenses and provide a valuable insight to help you manage your budget and expenditure. On this site, we offer you 3 features: adding your expenses, analyze them in a very simple manner. You can put expenses data-wise such as travel, food, bill, utility, health and personal expenses. In second section, we have provided a month expenses worksheet where you can view your expenses. You can see your total expenses from the date you started till the current date. I prepared a dataset for this purpose and you can view it here. Another part involves analysis, showcasing all the works I have done on the datasets. I uploaded data in Python and using the Panda library and I started working. I begin with a filtration allowing you to see your top 3 expenses in your data, and the next aspect is viewing category wise expenses until the specific date, including travel, food bill, utility, health expenses, personal expenses and the total of the day. The consequence analysis caters to users who provide a summary on only if the few days instead of entire dataset. I have implemented the feature where you can see specific whether you want to date for entire duration or just a few days. If you choose the few days, it promotes you to the number of days and will display the expenses for the past 7 days or date you want. Now next following code calculate the percentage of expenses relative to the total expenses for a particular date. It indicates how much you spent compared to the total spending in each category. Additionally, there is a code segment focusing on average spending in each category, helping you to identify the outliers and understand when you spend more or less. The next code deals with the identifying outliers and anomalies. Currently, there is no outlier index, as you can see it. This absence may be attributed to the individual who inputted the data not spending significantly more or less than average for a specific category of the given day. Now, another analysis involves a graphical representation of your data. Total expenses over time, providing a visual overview of your spending patterns similar to their code segment is your total expenses over time with a breakdown by category. Both these features offer a visual appealing insight into your expenses. Now, let me show you the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and various other code used in the front end as well as back end. Here I am presenting the HTML code, which is the main part, followed by the CSS code. I believe this code might help you to understand my work on the tracking application. Now let me show the dataset I have chosen. This dataset has been generated by me. It's entirely imaginary, not based on a specific real expenses. It doesn't reflect my personal expenditure. It's just simply a data set spanning from January 1 to February 28. I am delighted to have opportunity to present to you today an insightful overview of cutting edge expense tracker application. Here, this is my expense tracker analysis application made by me. My roll number is E22BCAU0143. Here, major problem addressed by me is budget management, financial awareness, real-time updates and expand category, smart insight recommendation, online offline mode, goal setting and user friendly interfaces. Technology used is front end. I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In back end I have used server side languages such as JavaScript and Ruby. Dataset used. Database I have used is MongoDB for non-SQL, MySQL or PostgreSQL for relational. Cloud I have used Amazon S3, Security SL/TLS for a secure data transmission. Result/finding, this is a monthly over expenses and dataset I have shown you already. Key highlighting, expense tracking, monthly overview, total expenses, category expression, daily average expenses, smart insight and recommendation, user-friendly interface, real-time update, offline mode and scan. Highlights, I have already told you. Summary, this expense tracker tackle with a budget management and financial awareness for offering a robust tool for monitoring spending. Your interest in this project is greatly appreciable. I hope it serves a valuable reference for understanding expense tracker application management. Thank you for your time and consideration.